Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about starting a side hustle but you're worried about costs, this video will help you get started. Today we're talking about easy side hustles you can start in the US with very little money. These ideas work for beginners, students, busy parents, and anyone who wants extra income without a big investment. Let's dive in. Low-cost services that are always in demand. Let's start with the simplest options. These are the services people hire for convenience. You don't need training. You don't need fancy tools. You just need time and reliability. Home cleaning is a strong example. Many people want help keeping their space tidy, especially busy professionals. You can bring basic cleaning supplies and start with small jobs in your neighborhood. Pet sitting and dog walking are also steady income sources. Pet owners need help during work hours, weekends, and holidays. The best part is you build trust quickly, and repeat clients can turn this into a reliable weekly income. Lawn care, snow removal, and simple yard work are also great choices. You can start with a basic mower or tools you already have at home. This type of work is especially strong during summer and winter when demand spikes. Even simple errands like grocery runs, package drop-offs, or picking up items for busy families can turn into a steady side hustle. Apps exist for this, but you can also promote your service locally. These options work because they solve everyday problems. People need them all year, and you can scale up as you get more clients. Skills you can sell online without experience. If you prefer to work from home, there are beginner-friendly online jobs that pay well. You don't need a background in design, writing, or editing to get started. Many tools make these tasks simple. Short-form video editing is a big opportunity. With TikTok and YouTube Shorts growing fast, creators and small businesses need help cutting clips, cleaning audio, and adding captions. Free editing software makes this easy to learn. Voiceovers are another option. If you have a clear voice and a quiet space, you can record short scripts for ads, training videos, or social posts. Many platforms accept beginners, and clients care more about a friendly and clear tone than advanced equipment. Transcription is also a strong starter service. You listen to audio and type what you hear. It helps if you can type quickly, but you can build speed as you go. Businesses use transcription for meetings, interviews, and training content. You can also offer simple graphic templates, social media captions, or email drafting. These are tasks small business owners often need but do not have time to handle. If you can follow instructions and stay consistent, this becomes an easy way to build a client list. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to offer a service someone needs and deliver on time. Platforms that actually pay. Now let's talk about where to find work. Choosing the right platform makes a big difference. Freelancing sites help you find clients who need help with writing, editing, audio, video, and admin support. These platforms protect your payments and let you build a portfolio over time. Gig apps are helpful for local services like cleaning, errands, and home tasks. They connect you with people in your area who need quick help. Resale marketplaces are useful if you enjoy flipping items or selling things you no longer use. Many people make steady income selling clothes, electronics, collectibles, or refurbished items. Microtask platforms pay for simple jobs like data checks, short surveys, or quick online tasks. The pay may be small at first, but it adds up when done consistently. The best part is you can test different platforms until you find the one that fits your schedule and strengths. How to avoid common side hustle scams. Before you start, let's talk about safety. The rise of online side hustles also brought a rise in scams. Protect yourself with a few basic rules. Real jobs never ask you to send money first. If someone asks you to pay for a starter kit, registration fee, or onboarding cost, that is a red flag. Be careful with anyone who wants private information that has nothing to do with the job. Scammers often pretend to be hiring managers or online businesses. Check reviews for any platform or app before signing up. Look for payment complaints or warnings from past users. Avoid easy earnings that claim you can make large income with no work. If something sounds too good to be real, it usually is. A real side hustle takes effort, but it rewards you fairly. Staying cautious from the start keeps your money and your time safe. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications